How to design a household septic tank. Today topic. The following procedure should be followed. এক নম্বর হচ্ছে কি মাল্টিপ্লাই দ্য ডিজাইন পপুলেশন বাই দ্য সাপ্লাই অফ ওয়াটার পার হেড পার ডে। 2 নম্বর হচ্ছে ফাইন্ড আউট দ্য অ্যাভারেজ ফলো পার আওয়ার ইজ ইকাল টু কি ফলো পার ডে ডিভাইডেড বাই 24 লিটার্স পার আওয়ার। ফলো পার ডে divided by 24 into 1000 cubic meter per hour. 1000 liter is equal to 1 cubic meter. তাহলে হচ্ছে 3 নম্বর কি assuming the peak rate being 3 times the average follow per hour. Peak volume is equal to be 3 into average hourly per follow. When water consumption is not known, then according to the ISI, allow the flow of liquid waste from building at the rate of 170 or 0.03 meter cube per minute for 100% based on a water consumption of 30 gallons or 140 liters per head per day. This is the peak rate and not to be multiplied by 3. 4 number হচ্ছে considering the size of particles to be removed from the liquid waste, consider the detention period of 2.5 hours and find the volume of this period. 5 number হচ্ছে the design of a septic tank nowadays is based on the following factors. A. The top part of the liquid depth in a tank acts as a sedimentation tank and is usually considered 30 cm. Number B. The middle portion of the liquid depth acts as digesting tank. Number D. The bottom portion acts as for storage digested sludge. D. At top of the liquid in the tank, an air space of 30 cm depth is to be provided. 6 number হচ্ছে কি the following assumption may be adopted considering the amount of total solid in the sludge. A. Volume of liquid sludge is equal to 0.831 cubic meter per 1000 persons per day. 1000 পার্সনের জন্য 0.83 cubic meter একদিনে। নাম্বার বি ভলিউম অফ ডাইজেস্টেড sludge of 0.205 cubic meter per 1000 persons per day. Capacity of digesting tank is equal to be 0.83 plus 0.205 divided by 2 into persons divided by 1000 into 60. 60 days being digesting protein. The average of fresh and digested sludge has been taken due to the fact that the digesting portion of a tank is a combination of the two. 7 for sludge storage volume multiply 0.205 divided by 1000 into person. ঠিক আছে স্ল্যাজ স্টোরেজ ভলিউমের ক্ষেত্রে by the days after which the tank is to be cleaned. At number 8 কি considering that a part of a water consumption per capita will be excluded from the tank and that the installation may be partly used, the capacity of liquid and sludge should be taken as half of the total volume obtained from the summation of columns number 4 and 6 ঠিক আছে and 7 and to find the volume the tank excluding the air space. ঠিক আছে for 10 users septic tank 75% of the total volume should be taken considering its minimum capacity. Number 9 key, the depth of liquid and sludge should be taken as 90 centimeter minimum and 2.1 meter maximum. 20 centimeter 90 centimeter should be taken for 10 users, and this depth may be increased by 8 centimeter to 10 centimeter for an increase and for an increment of 10%. The width of septic tank should be taken as 60 centimeter up to 30 centimeter 60 centimeter up to 30 users. The maximum width should be restricted up to 1.8 meter to increase the length of level of travel of the sewage. Length of septic tank 8 should be the length of septic tank should be 3 to 6 times the width for more than 200 users. It desirable to make more than one tank in parallel units. 10. As a precaution against possible disturbance of the scum, a vertical partition wall, also called a buffel, should be provided at a distance of 80 centimeter from the inlet pipe. In long tank, a second buffel wall is sometimes provided at a distance of 60 centimeter. তাহলে দুটো বাফেলো ওয়াল আমাদের প্রোভাইড করতে হয়, একটা হচ্ছে 80 সেন্টিমিটার ডিস্টেন্সে আর একটা হচ্ছে 60 সেন্টিমিটার ডিস্টেন্সে from the outlet end and within few centimeters below the surface of a liquid in the tank.